Hi there people, I just thought I'd do a bike check of my new frame and stuff while me and my mate edit the videos we took. They might take quite a while to come actually, so yeah, this will keep you going. I've got some Odyssey power ends and some very worn out grips, I don't know what they are. Odyssey Mutiny Glams, a proper top load, which I put loads of stickers on it. I got some Odyssey classic forks. This is my girlfriend's front wheel while I wait to get mine laced up, right? Because I can't afford the hub at the moment. So, but this is the one I made for my girlfriend. It's Mongoose, a standard Mongoose hub on a Halo SES, and this is my Odyssey tyre. It's decent. I've got an FSA Impact headset. We the People Sleepless 2009 frame. We the People seat. DMR seat post. We the People, I forgot which one it is. We the People, it's Supreme. We the People Supreme sprocket. Mongoose cranks, so I'm gonna get Supreme soon because it's my birthday in a few days. At the rear I've got a proper rear hub, right hand drive. The Smurf on a Pro Light or something rim until I'll show you with one soon, in a minute. I got a Shadow Conspiracy tyre at the back. That's a 2.35 at the front and a 2.1, yeah, 2.1 at the back. Pedals wise, I've got a Twisted, and because I cracked my other premium, I got a premium. I've got the Axon and stuff downstairs, so I just need to get some more. I think it's a random chain. I don't know what it is, but it's only £15, so I thought, why not? Yeah, just give you. These are my new rims. I've got a straight wall salt rim. Both Pro rims apparently, whatever they are. And the Aero, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully I'm getting the front proper to go with the rear, and then I'm going to lace them up. Because this is mine and my friend's channel, I'll do a bike check of his bike when I next see him. Okay, let me know if you want any how-tos or things like that. Just send me a message and I'll be glad to post it up. Okay, I think that's everything. Alright, I'll see you in our next video. Alright, take care, bye.